NEET UG is one of the most crucial entrance exams for candidates aspiring to pursue a medical career in India. A good score in NEET can open doors to top medical colleges in India and set students towards a path of building a successful career in the medical field.
Scoring 600 plus in this exam is a significant achievement that requires diligent preparation and focused efforts. In this video, we'll provide you with some tips and strategies that can help you score 600 plus in NEET. From understanding the exam pattern and syllabus to planning your preparation and improving your problem-solving skills, we'll cover everything you need to know to crack the exam.
The first step to scoring 600 plus in NEET is to understand the syllabus and exam pattern of NEET thoroughly.
NEET is a 3-hour exam that consists of 180 multiple choice questions from physics, chemistry and biology. The syllabus covers topics from class 12th and 11th, and it's important to have a good understanding of the fundamentals of these subjects.
The next step is to plan your study schedule properly. A well-planned study schedule can help you cover your entire syllabus effectively and avoid any last-minute stress.
You should allocate enough time to each subject, focus on important topics and set achievable goals for each day, week and month.
Practicing with the help of previous year's question papers and mock tests is an essential part of NEET preparation.
It can help you get familiar with the exam pattern and the types of questions asked in the exam. It can also help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and work on them accordingly.
Regular revisions and note making can help you retain what you have learned and improve your problem-solving skills.
It's important to revise your topics regularly and make concise notes that can be used for quick revision before the exam.
Finally, it's important to manage your stress effectively and stay healthy during NEET preparation.
Taking breaks, doing physical exercise and eating healthy can help you stay focused and motivated throughout your preparation.
By following these tips and strategies, you can improve your chances of scoring 600 plus in NEET and securing admission to a top medical institute in India. Remember, it is a tough exam, but with dedication, hard work and right strategies, you can succeed and become a doctor. Good luck.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.